נשמח כלים אם אתם, אוקיי?
It's no surprise, as most of you know, we can defeat these monsters by destroying the brain. You can slow them down with a shot to the leg, chest, stomach. You can shoot them in the dick. They will not die unless you absolutely destroy the brain. These fuckers can transfer their disease by a simple bite to the flesh, almost instantly turning you into one of them. Kids, this is Jim Savage, our newest agent.
Call me Ox. Jim died when they killed my son.